good YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. This video we're back with another G-fal video, man. Project holding up very strong, even with the recent Binance FUD, the SEC FUD that recently happened that put a huge dent in the markets, right? It is holding this floor and it is very stable around the 1 cent, 2 cent mark, right? And yeah, man, again, 100,000 G-fal is around $1,250, and the potential for that turning into 100K, I wouldn't rule it out at all, guys. This is one of those projects I would not fade, in my personal opinion. I would not fade this one. Chart holding up very well in my opinion. Take a look at CoinGecko. 5.7 mil market cap, 124 mil fully diluted because of the tokenomics. But yeah, man, that $1 range for G-fal, $10 billion in market cap with the full circulating supply out, still very doable for a project like this because of all the games that has been developed, people that are involved with the project, the partnerships it's making, and GameFi and the metaverse being one of those trends or narratives, or onboarding protocols that will get a ton of attention in the future, in my personal opinion, right? We already saw a glimpse of it with the metaverse, with Decentraland, Axie Infinity, Gala when it was exploding for a time, for a bit of a time, Sandbox, right? And G-fal, in my opinion, is gonna be right up there with those projects as time progresses. G-fal so bullish, G-fal double bottom. G-fal gonna work in great with new Apple headsets. Big is coming in the dark web. Need to get on Kraken and Coinbase. Let's go. I wouldn't rule out those exchange listings, man, at all. G-fal charts looks healthy. Break out from the descending channel to the upside. Look at this charting right here, guys. So yeah, man, right now is a perfect entry for G-fal. Obviously there's still gonna be people bearish on it, but project overall, in my opinion, is bullish. They also have the G-fal ID that they've been developing. We are honored to have attended the Block World Tour in Andromeda, Andorra, and participated in the roundtable discussion. And as pioneers in this innovative space, we are dedicated to pushing the boundaries of gaming experiences. Exciting things are on the horizon for the G-fal community and team, guys. The team is out there making a name for themselves, man, and crushing it, right? Introducing G-fal ID, designed to enhance your gaming experience. Let's dive into details. Secure and uninterrupted gaming. Life gets busy, but your gaming progress doesn't have to suffer. Switch, lose, or reinstall devices knowing your account remains accessible and your progress remains intact. All in one. Enjoy a smooth and effortless gaming experience. Connect all your G-fal games into a single G-fal ID. Make it easier to play across our system. A vibrant community. Play and connect with fellow gamers through G-fal ID. Build lasting friendships across different G-fal games and enjoy a connected and thriving gaming community. Take it to the next level. Your G-fal ID is the key to unlocking our marketplace. Trade, buy, and sell assets from all G-fal ecosystem games. Be the owner of your time spent on playing our games. And then right here you can set up your G-fal ID. Similar to how Steam has their signing, security, accessibility, and unity all in one. Similar to Steam, guys. Great stuff, man. I love seeing development being done. The G-fal ID could potentially be a game changer. Look at this right here, man. 291% from the bottom, but there's gonna be a lot more to go. Bunch of tweets about it. Look at this charting right here, guys. I'm telling you, right here is a great entry for a potential breakout for G-fal. One of the bullish projects, man. Very bullish projects in my opinion. Right? I would not fade this one. I'm when I'm bringing certain projects, when I say I would not fade it, I'm being as serious as I possibly can be with certain projects. I'm like, nope, don't fade this one, y'all. Do not fade this one. Again, Web3 gaming hasn't seen that shine as yet. And there's gonna be Web3 gaming platforms that absolutely explode. Gala, for example, is one of those, and I think G-fal will fall right into that line as well. It will be right up there, guys. It will be right up there. Also, can't rule out potential exchange listings as well, because the team is working and doing their best. Elemental Raiders, 282k followers already. Diamo Dreams starting its follower count. The gains will keep being built. The gains will keep being developed. More and more games will be added to the ecosystem, the same way Gala has all the games that's being added to their ecosystem. And I'm telling you, games for a living, G-fal is super bullish, and I can't wait to see what the future brings. Coinbase, Binance, Gemini, Kraken, exchange listings. I can't wait to see what happens in the future for G-fal. None of these things that I mentioned you could rule out, guys. So, you know, $1, $2 per G-fal. Again, there's still a very high possibility of that happening in the future, right? That is very doable for a bullish project like this. So if you got 100k G-fal, in my opinion, that's more than enough, right? Diversify obviously into different projects. 100k of these is more than enough for like crazy gains in the future, in my opinion. And we'll see what happens. I'll keep covering the project with future updates as well, because I'm very bullish on this one. If you hold the project, if you're bullish on the project, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description, guys. I really appreciate all the support. I will be doing live streams on the channel. I appreciate if you support all my other videos. I will be doing live streams daily on the channel, so you guys could go and support those live streams, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.